everyone, I'm RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I'm here with Chris. She's a good friend and I want to show you her cute haircut. We're going to start back here. She likes the back short. And what's fun a little bit about Chris is we have boys that both grew up together. So we have two sets of boys. My 17-year-old, she has a 17-year-old, and then our 21-year-olds. So they both went to school together. So that's fun. Okay, so we're just trimming this up, cleaning it up here. All right, and now for the top. I mean, she likes it shorter. It's not that she needs it like short and spiky. She just wants it really piecey. So, of course, I'm gonna point cut into this. And then I'll show you when we get to the front, she's gonna leave where her bangs are just a tiny bit longer. She's just growing that a little bit, so we'll texture that pretty good. But you can see I'm just point cutting into all of that. Yeah, this haircut is so stinking cute. When we get done, you'll see why I wanted to show you. She has a really good face for short too. Okay, just bring this in. You can see how I'm taking a little bit of that length off, but still point cutting into it. And then I can take the texturizing shears when we're done to piece it out. Just so, now Chris has hair like my sister, so she has a lot of it. It's just the texture is fine. And so with fine hair, with a lot of it, you need a lot of texture. Right, Chris? You can tell when it starts falling.
It won't hold.
Yes, exactly. She was teasing, saying she was going through bottles of hairspray. Well, I guess not teasing, right, Chris?
No, bottles.
Okay, so we're just leaving that a tiny bit longer, not as short, straight line, just kind of have some hair right here. Okay, up through here, point cutting. Love that sound of the scissors. When they open, close, open, close. That's like been my favorite sound since I was little. I know that's weird, but I know there's probably some of you out there that like it. Okay, so I'm just bringing this side in. Right there too. And we'll just texture through there, but see how it's a little longer and it can just kind of be a little wispy by her sides instead of cut straight and short. Okay, now the top, I'm just gonna bring her down just a little bit. And the top, so she wants this, you know, longer. So obviously I'm just trimming this because she's gonna grow that front area. Trimming with point cutting. And I'm just holding it straight up. Okay, and then same thing on the sides here. Just gonna barely trim those. Okay, now the sides. Doing good, Chris?
I'm fine.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, now for this side. And then of course, when we get done, we'll go back through, and if we need a texture or something like that, then we can do that when it's dry. That's what's funny. If I'm doing my hair in the morning or something, I feel like it needs a little texture in there because it's just kind of hanging more, I'll seriously just, it'll be all dry and I'll just go in with my texturizing shears at the top. Okay, so I'm going around the ear just a little bit just to trim this up. So she has a little bit around there, okay? And then this right here. Same thing. Okay, now for this front, she wants this part long, but we are going to come in here and take a little bit through this area just to piece that out just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna take the texturizing shears, the teeth are closer together, and I'm gonna come through here just because she has a lot of hair. Okay, I'm just coming about a 1/2 inch from the scalp up, because you don't wanna go obviously right by it. Okay, and then just gonna comb that out. Texture is your best friend when you have a lot of hair. That's fine. Okay, and then I'm gonna come through these, not the very ends, but I want you guys to see that. Okay, come right up here. See, I'm gonna come, you can see how far down I am from the end, so it doesn't make it too wispy at the ends, but I can cut that in there. Can you guys see that? See, now there's shorter hairs in between there. That makes for a good texture, especially if they have a lot of hair. But it's fine. It'll just get those little hairs in there. Woo, she caught it. Nice. Usually I have to get a new one, but. Okay, so I'm just coming around this back area. Okay, so that should be good with that. Now we're going to dry it, which is fun. That's the best part, right? Well, I don't know. Getting it washed, right? That feels super good.
Yes.
Okay, now let's get some volume. You guys, I seriously just sprayed. Get some volume in the lashes. I seriously just sprayed my face. It's fine. It's fine. I'll get through it. It's fine. You guys, have you ever done that? Spray yourself in the face. I love it. It's all real. It's all real. Okay. Now we're putting the mousse in. That's fine. That's funny.
It didn't sting or anything.
No. No, it's all natural. Thank goodness.
Right.
Okay, cool. Now what we're gonna dry, just dry the back down. Okay, so you see how fast that is? You gotta love that, right? Okay, how do you like the color,
I
Chris?
love the color. I love the color.
Good, good, good. And the cut, yeah, you're doing good with that?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of this so I can piece it out, because like I said, she just likes it piecey. It's not that she wants it straight up and spiky, she just likes it piecey. And then we'll come through this front. How does the front feel? Does it feel like
Does it feel thick to you?
You feel it. You're gonna be the one doing it. So
It feels a little thick.
Okay, so we'll get that textured some more.
I love this color.
Good, I'm so glad. Yeah, don't you feel like it's so much brighter?
Yes.
And this is a good color, you guys, for any gray. It blends super duper good because it has the brown and the blonde through it. It's really, really good. Okay, so it's feeling thick through here. So I'm gonna take these texturizing shears and come through here one more time. And some people would be like, oh, you're taking my hair, all my hair. But honestly, it helps it so much style. Doesn't it, Chris?
It does.
It really
If it's too heavy, it just lays flat.
Okay, start feeling that and see if that's good.
That feels a lot better, yes.
A lot better?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, just gonna add a tiny bit more. Okay, and then I'm gonna back comb. Let's see. Oh, here's my back comb. Okay. Definitely want some oomph. And that's what's cool is all the texturizing helps this back combing stay. That's why it's like up. So that is going to lift it. Obviously, a good pin comb will help. That definitely helps. But I do love spraying underneath, like where I back comb, and then I just kind of set it into place. And I'll spray this up here because I didn't get that good. Okay, now I'm gonna just look at her in the mirror so I can see what I'm doing here. Feel better?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna spray her one more time. And then piece that out. Then I'm gonna just finish it with the shine spray. Almost didn't grab it. Yep, this one. Okay, and you can see how cute that stack is back here. So cute. Okay, Chris, thank you much, my dear.
Thank
you
you
for letting me show you off with your cute haircut. Thank you so much, you guys, for your support. I hope you have a fantastic day. Go ahead and jump on my email list. I would love to have you on my email list, and have a good one. See ya.